Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these sourdough crumpets. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your strong white bread flour followed by the salt. Then give this a mix until it's fully combined. Also, you can add in your sugar or you can add it in next, doesn't really matter. Then add in your water and your sourdough starter, and then give this all a good mix until you have a batter form. Once you have a batter form, you can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So don't forget to get the very top and the very bottom of the bowl, but since you're doing it by hand, it should be pretty easy to not have that stage, but still do it just to be on the safe side. You can then cover with cling film and leave somewhere warm for up to an hour or until it has fermented. So I recommend leaving it until you can see the bubbles that are formed on top and throughout the dough or the batter, and it will be very apparent and it will have that slight sour smell due to the sour starter, so just keep that in mind. Here's what mine looked like before and here's what it looks like after. This is what you're looking for. Then you can go ahead and add in the last bit of water and mix that in until it's fully incorporated. I know it seems counterproductive, but believe me, it works. Then you should have the batter and it's ready to go. So preheat a frying pan and get a ring. I'm using a 4-inch cake tin, as that's what works best. Is it's got the deep side. Just lightly oil it with some oil as well as the pan. Then you can go ahead and fill the pan around 1/3 of the way full. So just keep that in mind as you want to keep it as consistent as possible, as these do rise a little while they're baking. Then you'll want to leave it so it's almost dry on the sides and all the bubbles on top are there. If you can poke a bubble and it fills in, you need to give it a bit more time, but if it doesn't, then you're good to go and you can flip it. So remove the ring. I'm just using a cranked palette knife to remove the ring. Then I flip it. This doesn't look perfect, but trust me, in the end they all come out really well. And oh my gosh, sourdough crumpets need to be more of a thing. I don't know if they are already, but I had some sourdough left over, sourdough starter to use up, and this was what I did. And you just repeat the process until you have none of the batter left, and then you're good to go. These could freeze really well if you don't want to use them all straight away, so just keep that in mind. They freeze well, so you can always use them at a later date, and you can take them out from the freezer and use them from frozen, which is even better. Just toast her a little bit longer. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.